Do you guys know how Facebook was founded and how it earns billions of dollars just by advertising? We will discuss on this topic in detail and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, this is Ritvik. Today I'll be discussing about Facebook and Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook was founded by two Harvard University students, Mark Zuckerberg and Eduardo Saverin, in the university room in 2004. But it was eventually not named Facebook. It was named FaceMash, which was considered as a dating app. And later, on February 4, 2004, it was renamed to the Facebook. And finally, on 26 September 2006, it was given the name Facebook and it was open for everyone. And you only require an email and a contact number to sign up to Facebook. By 2007, there were up to 100,000 people who have registered themselves in Facebook. And in 2008, Facebook opened its own international headquarters office in Menlo Park, California. Now, let us discuss the shares purchases of Facebook. In 2006, Yahoo decided to buy Facebook for $1 billion, but Zuckerberg declined the offer and decided not to sell the company, but he definitely wanted to give out few shares. So on 24th October 2007, Microsoft purchased 1.6% shares of Facebook for $140 million. And in 2013, Facebook bought WhatsApp as a messaging platform for $19 billion. And in the next few years, Facebook bought Instagram as a photo uploading platform for a whopping amount of $1 billion. Mark acquired these apps because there are billions of users who use WhatsApp and Instagram and thought he would receive great profits. Now let us discuss how Facebook earns money via advertising. Facebook has earned up to $39.9 billion revenue by just doing digital advertising. And in 2013, Facebook acquired Jibigo, which is a translator. Facebook acquired it to display ads overseas in their native language to earn great profits. Top companies like Starbucks, Adidas use Facebook ads to endorse their brands and products. This benefits Facebook with lots of money. On September 2019, Facebook launched its two new features named Facebook Dating and Facebook News. With all these inventions, Zuckerberg earns $98.6 billion revenue and is considered as the fifth richest person in the world. And Facebook earns up to $527 billion revenue, making it one of the most successful companies in the world.